This is a dummy truck and I love to travel in train. So guys, today we will know about trains, their history, the evolution of railways, the evolution of trains, poles, bogies, engine, the uniform of railway staffs. Come on, so let's know about the trains. The newly opened Railway Museum is at Mancheshwar area of Bhubaneswar. The Railway Museum is open today, so this is the first day and first vlog. साल के लिए 20 रुपए और 18 साल के ऊपर के लिए 30 रुपए। ये टिकट मैंने अपने पापा के लिए लिया है। मैं और मेरे भाई के लिए एंट्री टिकट फ्री है क्योंकि हम 12 साल के नीचे हैं। Many frames and each frame tells a story and tells the evolution of the railway. In the left bottom frame, you can see a train is passing through the Chilika Lake. The Chilika Lake is depicted by the migratory birds, the fisherman and the boat. There is a loco pilot driving the train and Gopabandhu Das. He used to be a famous Odia poet in that time and he was mesmerized about the Chilika Lake. So he wrote a poem, Raha Raha Shane Baspiya Sakata. Above this frame, you can see the picture of Hirakud Dam. It is the India's largest dam and railway played an important role building this dam, and for you to know that its area is the twice size of area of Sri Lanka. Above the Hirakud Dam, we can see Jagannath Temple and a wheel of Rath Yatra. Railway played an important role connecting Puri to major cities and states of India by running special trains to Puri. On the top of the arch, you can see the image of India's first train. It had large chimneys and it was run by steam. Just below that, you can see a train running on the Araku Valley, which is an engineering marvel. So on the right bottom, you can see a picture of a train and Gandhiji. This picture tells you about Gandhiji's first visit to Odisha on request of Gopabandhu Das. Now we will go inside the museum. So let's see what's inside. Here are three types of bridges are displayed. First one is bowstring girder, second one is 100 feet plate girder and third one is deck type underslung girder. Let me show you a very historical thing. It is a spring balance named Salter Spring Balance. It works something like this. It was used for measuring small plates, joints, metals used in the railway track. maintenance. This is a rail and this is a sleeper. There is a connection between the rail and a sleeper like this. Now some history class. The initial BNR Bengal Nagpur Railway was called as Eastern Railway after independence. The present East Coast Railway Zone was formed in 2003 in Bhubaneswar. These models are of German origin. LHB linked Hoffman Bush coaches developed in Integral Coach Factory in Chennai. So this is a Vistadom coach. It has two glass windows and two row of glasses, and it has also rotating chairs, and this train is used for scenic routes like Araku and Darjeeling. This is a magneto-telephone, this is a push-button telephone, and this is a rotatory dial. So these are some heritage telephones that were used in the railways. So this is a semaphore signal. So basically, when the train track is ready for running, this comes down and the green light is on. And when the track is not ready for running, then this goes off and the red light turns on. So this is a model of heritage train engine. Model of diesel engine, and it is named as WDM. W for broad gauge, D for diesel, and M for mixed traffic. So these two are the electric engines named as WAP. W for broad gauge, A for AC current, and P for passenger traffic. Here is the video which shows railway workers are helping in making of Rath for Rath Yatra. Computerizations of the railways, there were such tickets. Such printed tickets are called printed car tickets. My father used to tell me that when he was studying in college, he was traveling with these train tickets. This type of ticketing system is called Edmonton ticketing cabinet. Apart from straight-run railways, there were also private trains owned by the king and their kingdoms, like Mayurbhanj State Railway and Parla Ki Medi Light Railway. Crockery items used in Bengal Nagpur Railway. These are some famous Odia poets with their famous poems written on the railways. So these are some old lamps used by the guards and the signaling staffs and beautiful painting of Mahatma Gandhi is displayed at the museum, and it is made by artist P. Shyam Sundar Achari. postage stamps issued for railway. The uniform of the official railway staff. This is the uniform of a trackman, coolie, guard, station master, fireman, traveling ticket examiner TTE, loco pilot, water boy, token porter, and this is यूनिफॉर्म ऑफ वॉच एंड वार्ड स्टाफ. यहाँ पे एक टॉय ट्रेन है पर अभी इसका काम चालू है इसलिए ये फंक्शनल नहीं है और जब ये फंक्शनल होगा मैं यहाँ पे आके मजे करूँगी. Wall painting shows us the importance of railways in the Bollywood movies. Like here, Amitabh Bachchan is playing the role of coolie. There are Raj and Simran. There is a beautiful lawn and the dustbin facility there. So I urge everyone not to litter anywhere. Always use the dustbin whenever required. अब हम ट्रेन शेप में बने कैफेटेरिया में जाएंगे. कोच है. यहाँ पे सिटिंग फैसिलिटी है फॉर सर्विंग स्नैक्स, फूड एंड ड्रिंक्स. Since it's the first day, the cafeteria is not functional. That was the beautiful railway museum. Please do visit this place and subscribe to my dad's channel Dog Tour for such exciting vlogs.